All right, guys, all these fish is about the same size, but they're different fish. Let's get them back in the water. I really thank you. Let's go back in here again. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Man, this is crazy. I'm just fishing the ditch. Let's see if there's anything back in this hole, y'all. Looks kind of juicy back here. So let's see. See if there's anything back here. Oh, good cast. Oh, as soon as I threw it in there, something grabbed it. Oh my goodness. That's got to be the quickest bass catch in history. That's got to be the quickest bass catch, I'm telling you. As soon as I threw it in there, he grabbed it. Let's get this guy back in the water. Oh, you kidding me? Get out of here. This got to be the biggest one I've caught yet. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, man. This has got to be the biggest bass yet. Oh my goodness. We're in the top of the nose. Y'all check this out. Fishing the part of the ditch. Okay. Let's get him on the board. Oh, there it go. Stop biting me. Put your tail down on that 18 and a half. This is one of the best fishing video days, best fishing day I ever had in a long time, guys. Look at this. Oh my goodness, man. This thing is big. All right. Let's send Patrick in my picture. Let's get this big girl back in the water. Alright, let's get this big girl back in the water. Hey, this is crazy. This is crazy, y'all. This is really crazy. This is crazy. One more, guys. This is gonna be a part 1 and a part 2. I already know it. Let's get them back. What is this? This can't be a bass. This cannot be a bass. It's a gar. No, it's a bowfin. Oh my goodness. It's a bowfin. Oh, it's a big one. Oh my goodness, oh my, oh my goodness. Come here, buddy. This thing is huge. Oh my goodness. Man, this thing is big, man. This thing is big. Okay. Goodbye. You had to have attitude. All right. He gone. He out of here.
Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.